If you're looking for custom drapes, you probably want designs that are beautiful and unique. You know, something your friends and neighbors don't have. And if you've tried to find something different at retail outlets, you've probably been disappointed. That's where we come in. Welcome to Galaxy Design. We're the company known for unique drapery designs and exquisite drapery hardware. We have happy clients all over the world because of our high-quality, one-of-a-kind window treatments and drapery hardware. Let us show you how we create it. We have an amazing collection of handcrafted drapery hardware, and the process begins in our painting department. Each piece is primed before we apply the paint to make sure that the hardware holds its brilliant color for years. The drapery hardware is also dried and sealed after painting to make sure that it doesn't chip. Silver, and of course black. We don't just paint the main pieces, we paint all additional pieces, including the mounting hardware for a tasteful and elegant finish. Once the painting is complete, we dry everything out as quickly as possible to retain as much of the color as possible. And once the hardware is dry, we add our custom stain and our signature. Once the hardware is completely prepared, we're ready to apply crystals. Each crystal is expertly hand-placed onto the face of the hardware by highly trained stone setters. We use only the finest crystal elements from Swarovski. These crystals truly bring a one-of-a-kind feel to our hardware, and they are available in several different tones to allow full customization to match any home decor. And finally, all this beauty has to be safe and protected. Each piece of hardware has a piece of foam that has been perfectly cut to fit and ensure proper arrival. We pack all orders securely and inspect the order one last time for accuracy. This is the final stage of our 7-step quality control process. So when you open your box, know that we sealed it with our personal guarantee of your happiness.